to IS460 and 560 Project Management. I'm Professor Fahmi Jalani. Today we'll be covering Chapter 12, Resource Management. So far we'll be covering a lot of other theories, and today we'll be taking a look at what are the types of constraints that involve in managing a project. So as we all know, three factors that leads to the constraint of a project are time, resources, and lastly mix. Okay. So in resources, for example, resources loading, here we see a diagram or table with regards to the individual or staff doing the work and what are the tasks they are being asked to, where they are being laid out with work detail, the dates, how many hours they are doing the work, okay, for the rest of the period. Okay. With that, we need to smoothen the task. Okay. Okay. Now, in this case, trying to eliminate problems. It could be multiple or combination problem. Okay. Basically, the objective is to determine the resource requirement so that they will be available at the right time. Okay. And in this case, trying to make each transition as smooth as possible. On top of that, we need to prioritize, okay, in terms of leveling, okay, which we look at the smallest slack. In this case, what is the buffer time that they are allowed to complete the project. Okay, in this case, extra time, for example. What's the smallest duration, minimum time, and lowest number of FCFS, first come first serve. Okay, whichever product is project task is being completed first, that's the priority. Also, we have successor tasks, greatest number of successor tasks. In this case, meaning which individual can complete as many tasks as fast as possible, for example, as more successful. Okay. And which project or task require the most resources in terms of time, budget, okay, and even staff. So, procedure of leveling, okay, first, I think we covered previously in previous lesson. We have network diagram, okay, loading table, late finish, and overall allocation, and also level, okay, which we will see in the next few slides. So in this case, first one is load chart. See, you start with load chart. Okay. So here we have a load chart. Okay, from the start to the finish of the project. Okay, which do also cover critical path. Okay, and also we have the table. This is basically the load table. From the load chart, okay, we are able to derive the load table. Okay, we have the activity, the resources, duration, estimate start, the slack, and late finish. Okay. And from this table, we will create a graph, for example, a resources versus project day. These are the tasks. Okay. of the project. Okay, so this is basically for estimate time. Yeah, just estimate time. So with that, we will add the slack time, for example. Okay, on the next slide we will see in orange or bright yellow. Okay. This will combine the or compress the project days. Okay, where for example task C is being split up. Okay. Here the task could be completed within day 5 and then to be continued probably after day 9. Okay. So what are the parameters that we need to think about in a multi-project environment? Okay, includes slippage, which is in schedule, visualizing resources, technically optimizing what you have, okay, and in-process inventory. So on top of that, we need to prioritize, okay, which means first come first serve. Whichever project is completed, you do it. Okay, you don't have to wait. Okay, take note that what is the greatest demand. Okay, resources in this case. Okay, certain part of the project will require more time or more resources. Could be financial or manpower utilization. When you see a staff is finish a part of the project and he has the skill to complete another part, so you can utilize him, for example. Minimize late finish. Okay, and lastly is mathematical programming. Okay, so these are basically some of the things that you have to take note in resource management for project management. Okay. So that's pretty much it for the class. If you have any question, feel free to email me, and stay safe. And those of you who haven't submitted your project management proposal, please do so. Thanks. Bye.